As the automotive industry continues to adopt robotics in its manufacturing processes, the potential for robots to reduce accidents and injuries has become a prominent topic. With robots taking over dangerous and repetitive tasks, workers are free to focus on higher-level activities, resulting in a safer work environment. This has led to a significant reduction in the number of workplace injuries and illnesses in the automotive industry. One of the primary benefits of using robots in car manufacturing is the elimination of hazardous jobs. Welding, painting, and heavy lifting are all jobs that pose a risk of injury to human workers, but they can be performed safely and accurately by robots. By reducing the number of dangerous tasks performed by workers, the risk of accidents and injuries can be significantly reduced. In addition to the elimination of dangerous jobs, robots can also reduce the risk of ergonomic injuries. Repetitive motion injuries and strains are common in manufacturing jobs that require workers to perform the same task over and over again. However, robots can perform these tasks consistently and without fatigue or strain, reducing the risk of injury. Furthermore, robots are also beneficial in creating a safer work environment by minimizing the risk of human error. Human error can lead to accidents, injuries, and costly mistakes. However, robots can be programmed to perform tasks accurately and without deviation, reducing the risk of errors and the resulting consequences. Despite these benefits, there are still challenges associated with the use of robots in car manufacturing. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that robots are programmed and maintained correctly. Incorrect programming can lead to unexpected behavior, potentially resulting in accidents or damage to equipment. Similarly, improper maintenance can lead to equipment failure, which can be dangerous for workers. Another challenge is ensuring that workers are properly trained to work alongside robots. Workers must understand how to interact with robots and how to respond in the event of a malfunction or unexpected behavior. Proper training can help workers identify potential issues and prevent accidents from occurring. Finally, there is a need for ongoing risk assessments to ensure that robots are being used safely and effectively. The automotive industry must continue to evaluate the risks associated with the use of robots and take steps to mitigate these risks. This includes regular maintenance, updates to programming, and ongoing training for workers. In conclusion, the potential for robots to reduce accidents and injuries in car manufacturing is significant. By taking over dangerous and repetitive tasks, robots can create a safer work environment for human workers. However, there are still challenges associated with the use of robots, including programming and maintenance issues, training for workers, and ongoing risk assessments. As the automotive industry continues to adopt robotics in its manufacturing processes, it will be important to address these challenges to ensure that workers remain safe and healthy.